Can you solve this? We want to solve the equation 4 to the x equals x to the 64. We will do it step by step with quick visual cues. Step 1. Rewrite both sides as exponentials with natural logs. For to the x equals e to the x ln 4. X to the 64 equals e to the 64 ln x. So for x positive, the exponents must match x ln 4 equals 64 ln x. Remember, this step uses ln of x, so it only covers x greater than 0. Step 2. Rearrange for a clean visual comparison. Divide both sides by x and by 64. We get ln x over x equals ln 4 over 64. The constant on the right is approximately 0.022166. Step 3. Visual cue. Plot the curve h of x equals ln x divided by x for x positive, and the horizontal line y equals ln 4 over 64. Their intersections give the positive solutions. One small solution near 1, and a large solution which we will show is exactly 256. Step 4. Why exactly 256? Because 4 to the x is 2 to the 2x, and x to the 64 equals 2 to the 8 times 64 when x equals 2 to the 8. Set x equal to 2 to the 8 equals 256. We get 2 to the 512 on both sides. Exact equality. Step 5. What about negative x? X to the 64 stays positive, so a negative solution is possible. Set x equal to minus t, with t positive. Then the equation becomes t ln 4 plus 64 ln t equals 0. Plot this from 0 to 1. There is exactly one crossing. It occurs at t approximately 0.979. So x equals minus 0.979. Step 6. Read off the small positive solution from our earlier graph. X is approximately 1.022. Final answer. There are 3 real solutions: x approximately negative 0.979, x approximately 1.022, and x equals 256 exactly.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make math simple, one video at a time, only on MyVerse Maths.